most amazing service. Most welcoming and helpful staff. 1-point service. My only option for traveling because to guarantee I'm getting top-notch service. Honestly not worth the money I spent, basically $90 just for 6 glasses of wine. I've been to multiple countries and had wine tastings for less dollar, and it included lunch/charcuterie at Min. The staff is amazing, I'll admit, and the restaurant itself is really cute. Wines have been produced in Jordan for many years, but uncovering the different varieties and the country's local wine heritage can be difficult to explore by yourself. With this private wine tasting tour in Amman, save time and be properly introduced to quality local varieties, rather than depending on what's served at restaurants or hotels. Guided tastings, snacks, at your own expense, and return transfers are included for an enriching and relaxed experience. Your tour includes private English-speaking driver who doubles up as your guide.